Automaker Ford Lio Ho Motor has announced a halt to production at its Zhongli plant because of a shortage of parts. The suspension starts Wednesday and expected to last until May 4th.
The company says 600 employees will be placed on paid leave. It says that once more parts can be procured, it will ramp up production to hit delivery targets.
It was only on April 9th that Ford Lio Ho Motor announced its refreshed models in a live stream. Now, amid a protracted pandemic and a shortage of parts, the automaker has announced a halt to production at its Zhongli plant starting Wednesday.
Only the production line is halted because there is a shortage of parts. Office workers still have to come.
Due to the epidemic, strict precautions are in place at the entrance and inside the facility. That hasn't been enough to keep production going as the pandemic squeezes car parts supplies in Europe and America.
Once the supply of parts from Europe and America recovers, we'll speed up production to meet our delivery times.
Ford's Lio Ho Zhongli facility will suspend operations starting Wednesday. The move will affect around 600 of the plant's 900 employees, who will be put on paid leave during the suspension. They'll be offered overtime once production resumes in order to reach output targets. Meanwhile, Oolong Motor has announced it may reduce work shifts and production starting mid-May. Guorui Motors and Honda Taiwan say they expect to be unaffected by the pandemic until late April.
The rights of their employees must be protected after the production halt. I've asked the Labor Department to intervene proactively. We've been in close contact with the union. We hope that the labor rights of the 800 workers can be well protected.
The local government says it's overseeing the process amid concerns over the employees' livelihoods. This March, a total of 37,277 cars were sold in Taiwan. That's 4,886 vehicles more than the same month last year. Although sales are looking good, manufacturers fear they may not be able to fulfill orders until the supply of parts returns to normal.